Alright guys, we're back here with the 15 DOF or 17 DOF. I think now we probably have about 18 or 19 motors on there. But as you can see here, it's pretty stable. The problem is, again, it's all about weighting issues when it comes to robotics and all that. It has very, very long arms and very, very heavy arms. So that's going to be an issue when I want to try to make it walk. Then, of course, quality control wise, I was going to show you guys that I'm able to move the arms up and down on both of these. Not sure why they're stuck right now in this moment. It's always like that when you're trying to do a demo, right? And here we go. They can go all the way up. Here we go. All the way up like that. And then all the way down, except this one gets stuck here. And this one can go all the way in. And that's just a quality control issue. When you buy these servos and they come in, they're not always perfect. Some of them have a wider range than others do, which is ridiculous because they should all be the same. So that's one more of the defective issues that you will find when you buy these kits and why they are so low quality. So as I said, it has a lot of range of movement in there now compared to how it was before. You move the arms out. It has some kind of elbow, and hopefully this will open and close. I've not been able to test it out because when I bought this, it didn't come with batteries, it didn't come with a microcontroller, and when you ask the company, I think it's JD, a Chinese company, they are not very forthcoming about telling you what you can use to power the robot or what microcontroller you need to use with it or anything like that. You try to talk to the people and they're just really not easy to work with. And I wanted to get a refund, but they wouldn't allow me to get one, so kind of a problem there. Anyway, let's finish this off real quick. The reason why it's extra tall is because I want to put this motor in here to give it the rotation in the torso, being able to go left and right. But I don't want all that weight on just this part, so I would have to put one of these things on there and go like this so that they turn this way. And that means putting the screws in the back so that you can have it mounted firmly on there and still have this be able to turn like that. There will be some issues with that as well because you don't want the torso to be completely out of alignment with the rest of the legs, so that'll be an issue in of itself that I'll have to figure out. But anyway, this is where we are, and I don't even know if I can power all this stuff now because there's so many motors, and the best I could find was this Liwan Lobot Soul little microcontroller, and it looks great. I just don't know how to use it yet, and hopefully it'll do the job. Hopefully I'll be able to control the robot with the PS2 remote, and that's where we are. And if you guys have any suggestions or helpful insight on what I could do to get this to work better, just leave it in the comments and I will get back to you. See you in the next video.